Here we will be learning to import data onto Galaxy. Type use galaxy.org.au on your browser. The Galaxy server will open. You have to log in or register. Put your username as password and log in to upload, process and download the data. Here, to upload the data, you will find the upload data option on the left panel. Click on choose file from local folder and select all the files. Once it is loaded, click on start. On the status bar, the percentage of uploading is visible. Once all the samples are uploaded, it turns green, which can be visualized in the history panel. Next, we have to create dataset list. For that, click on operations on multiple dataset option. There, we have to select all the samples and on the for all selected menu option, on the drop down, click on build dataset list. When the window opens, give any name of your choice. I have given nanopore runs and create collection. Thank you.